Hey fashion lovers, welcome to the Fashion Try-On. If you want to support our channel, please be sure to like and subscribe. And if you like any of the items you see, be sure to check the description for links and discounts. Today we are taking a look at the latest Stanley collaboration. This time around it is with Barbie. So I picked up the pink Stanley tumbler in the size 30 ounce. And this is how it actually arrived. It was a very compact box, which honestly I thought was really great. Like, it feels like there's not a lot of bells and whistles to do with this, and that feels really great for the environment. It feels like it took up less space, so it's, you know, more efficient, and we just love seeing that. So I'm sure that this helps out Stanley as well in terms of how many, you know, items that they can box and keep in their warehouse, and it just feels like a gold standard. So here is our first look at the packaging. I'm gonna go ahead and pull this out. There we go, that seems to be the method. So it does come wrapped in this lovely tissue paper. It is a bit ripped, which is kind of a bummer. And then we see the Barbie Stanley collaboration. Now I've seen some folks try to open this gently and not rip that tissue paper underneath. Looks like we're not going to be able to do that. Because this is ripped already, I'm just gonna go ahead and detach the bottom, and we'll go and slide it out. All right, wow, here is the first glimpse of our Stanley. Now, I will admit this feels a little bit bigger than 40 ounces. I mean, correct me if I'm wrong, but this looks pretty large. It is 30 ounce, but it just looks so large. Maybe that's why we went with the 30 ounce. But all right, let's take a look at the collab. So we do have Barbie Stanley. I love it when they put both of their logos right on front. We have Barbie, her logo right there, and then it looks like a doll box. So they really did a great job with this collaboration. Now on the side you have Barbie, and similarly to a doll box, you have that little peep through window. That's so awesome. Let's see on the other side, you have it there too. So you can start to see the cursive of Barbie, and it follows along this way. Taking a look at the information on the back. So let's see. Barbie 65 Inspiring Stories Shaping the Future. I believe this is for the 65th anniversary. The Flow State Quencher H2O 2.0 tumbler, 30 ounces or 0.88 liters. Now let's take a little closer look at this information here. What is always so interesting to me is that it can keep things cold for 9 hours. It can keep things iced for 40 hours. How does that math make sense? Right? Maybe it's just if there's ice with no liquid. I do know that, you know, ice on itself, ice on its own, sitting in a cup on the counter, is going to melt at a slower rate than ice in water. But, you know, with the insulation, that's a little strange. And then of course 5 hours hot. Go ahead and explore the additional items on here. It is interesting that it is dishwasher safe. That's awesome. Obviously don't put this in the microwave. It is car cup holder compatible. The only thing I will say is that if you do want to protect that beautiful pink sparkle and you do want to keep it in your car, maybe try and find like a felt thing to put in there, because you will end up having kind of like a ring if you know, have a rough cup holder. All right, of course it is Mattel. And we have two @. So we have @Barbie and @Stanley brand. All right, let's go ahead and open this up. Oh my goodness. This is exactly like opening up a doll. All right, so that is the top. And then let's go ahead and open her up here. I wonder if these are going to maintain their value based on if they were not opened as well. Kind of like with a doll, you know? So it does come with some information up here. Wow, this is so fun. Is that all that's in here? It is. Okay, so we have Barbie Stanley again. We have some information here. In a meet cute to remember, Barbie invites Stanley to her 65th anniversary to celebrate women around the world. Fashion fun patterns reimagine the poptism of this global icon through her dazzling decades. Playful moments and stories of becoming are the ingredients that bring Barbie to life. Since 1959, Barbie continues to inspire women and Ken to dream bigger and shine brighter together. The collection features 8 uniquely Barbie Quenchers inspired by the original doll who started it all. Now we are going to take a look at that black and white Quencher in the 40, which hopefully will be arriving pretty soon. This one actually arrived 2 days after it was purchased. So, you know, be hopeful that it will arrive soon. And I honestly think these are probably gonna fly off the shelf. So if you are interested in them, be sure to pop over real quickly. These are probably gonna be great holiday presents. Now we're taking a look at this. These are stickers. So that's so fun. If I was a kid, I would love that. I mean, I love it now. All right, let's go ahead and get into the core of our unboxing. All right, it is a little challenging, but here's the straw. So there is this little placeholder for the straw in there. Here is our straw. It is pink and it is Barbie, right? Then we're gonna see, wow, our quencher. Oh my goodness. See, this is compared to my hand. That is huge, but I agree. The 30 ounce is so much bigger. And look, you have a little hidden Barbie under here. That is that's such a clever touch. Overall, you can see the sparkle, you can see the iridescence. Take a look at the top. You have the pink Stanley up there. Of course, you can open it that way, or you can go ahead and thread your straw through. And there we go. This is so awesome. I can't wait to use this going to the gym and going to Pilates and, you know, wearing all pink. Maybe we'll even use it for Halloween. All right, there is just kind of like a ring down there to hold it in place. And that is it. So overall, I think this is a really great pickup. I have not personally owned a Stanley yet, and I think this is just the perfect inaugural Stanley to own. Let me know in the comments below if you picked up any on your own or if you plan to. I know there was a pack where you could buy all 8 of them. Definitely let me know if you picked that one up. Thanks so much for watching, and be sure to subscribe.